Welcome, here I've got OPPO A15 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by using this button from the right. So hi again, and now let's go to the right corner. When we pick this one we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this settings from the right, so we get access to more advanced camera options, and here we can see the flip selfie. So by using the button from the right we can turn on and turn off the camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.